Welcome viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a beautiful Christmas tree. Today we shall learn step by step how to create a stunning holiday masterpiece. Let's start with a simple sketch of the tree trunk and base. Next, draw the outline of the trees, keeping it nice and symmetrical. Now it's time to add branches. Draw them branching out in different directions. Remember to vary the length and thickness of the branches for a natural look. Once the branches are in place, start adding layers of foliage using short curved lines. Fill in the gaps between branches with more foliage, creating a lush appearance. Don't forget to leave some space for ornaments and decorations. Now, let's add some festive decorations to our tree. Draw circles for ornaments and lines for tinsel or garlands. You can also add stars, ribbons, and other holiday decorations. Get creative with your decorations, adding your own personal touch to the tree. Once the decorations are done, and some shading to give the tree depth and dimension. Use light strokes to create highlights and darker strokes for shadows. Blend the shading smoothly to achieve a realistic look. Take your time with this step and remember to have fun. Now let's add some presents under the tree. You can also add a tree skirt or carpet beneath the tree for extra details. To finish off, add some final touches and details to make the drawing pop. Don't worry if your drawing does not look perfect, practice makes perfect. Feel free to customize your tree however you like, adding your own unique flair. Now let's recap the steps we have covered in this tutorial. Start with the trunk and base, then add with branches. Thanks for watching this video.